Hey guys, welcome once again to our channel. Today we're going on a walking tour of Pondy Bazaar at Tegaria Road in T Nagar. In our last episode, we went on the walking tour of T Nagar main market at Ranganathan Street. Hey guys, I am inside T Nagar main market right now. Very cheap prices as well, and I got myself a bowl of fried cabbage. People out here, they are selling flowers. You can see there is Saravana stores in every street. All the streets have Saravana stores. Well guys, we are right now out of the T Nagar market and we'll enter the T Nagar main road which is out there. And you can see one thing, still Saravana stores has not left us. It's still there. Another store. You can see there is a nice graffiti on the wall. It has been painted. When I came last year, this thing was being renovated and now it's up and running. So we'll go down this road, which actually is part of the Pondy Bazaar. So we'll see what's there. Let's go. Pondy Bazaar is one of the first planned neighborhoods built in Chennai around the early 1920s. This place, situated on Tegaria Road, is modelled after the Champs-Élysées in Paris. So guys, right now I am at the T Nagar main road, and which is a part of Pondy Bazaar, and you can see there is a McDonald's out here. Guys, you can see there is a golf cart out here and there is Apollo Hospital logo on the cart. I think it's for Apollo Hospital patients or maybe pedestrians who cannot walk that far, and it's for carrying them. And there goes the cart. You can see there are all kinds of shops out here. Dresses. You can see this place is quite nice and clean. Very much cleaner than the T Nagar main market. This is the T Nagar main road. This has been renovated last year. So it's quite nice. And there is even lesser crowd out here. Many less people. This is quite organized out here. Nice. And even the street lights are very beautiful. So I guess this is the gentleman's market and that was the common man's market. I guess I need to get some books. So I'll go upstairs. You can see guys, I'm walking down T Nagar main road and the market out here is a bit quieter than the other market in T Nagar. This is the part of the Pondy Bazaar as we call it. And you see this nice car, police patrol car, is so colorful. And that is the main Pondy Bazaar inside. This is a vegetable market and a grocery market. So we'll not go out there, it's too dark. And I'm also getting late. So I need to get a cab from here. But I just wanted to show you this place. It's quite nice. All well lit. And you can see out here these things have been erected up so that cars cannot fly, only is for the pedestrians, and it's a wide footpath. It's a very wide footpath, so people can easily walk up and down this place. And even there are some benches and seating arrangements so people can sit out here. It's a good place to chill out with your family and do some shopping. So I'm gonna go up and get some books for my wife. So I'm entering the complex out here. I really forgot the place where the bookstall was. Yeah, there's the bookstall. Do you have The Alchemist? So guys, I'm getting the book The Alchemist from here. Last time I got another book from this place. I guess you were the one who were there. So how much is that? Okay, you can see these people give a discount. It's 170 and it's printed 299. So you get all kinds of things out here, when flowers, from books to shoes to food, everything you get out here. So I'll go and give you another round of the place. I'll go out from this part. And there's Teddy for the Valentine. So let's go up. This is a part of the wholesale market near Pondy Bazaar, and you will get a lot of things for very cheap price. You saw me getting the book for a cheap price. And there are cloth stores, these shoe stores, and there are teddies. You'll get almost everything you want for the household out here. So I'll go to another level. So you can see all the shops are starting to close down because it's quite late at night and it's time for them to close. So I guess I'll be moving down. Then I need to go out and get a cab. This is an old style market complex, and you'll get almost everything from hairpin to aeroplane out here. It's a good place. You get things for cheap. You can see there's some utensils. So I'm out again on the main street, and I'll be walking my way out of this place. Some kids are playing ball. Oh man, I got hit by that ball. And you have the big bazaar out here. So this place is quite nice, less crowd, hassle free, and you can get cheap things as well. So I love this place more than the bigger market out there, which was very crowded. Well guys, that was my tour of Tegaria Nagar, that is T Nagar, and I visited two places, which is Pondy Bazaar, this one, and the other one is the T Nagar main market, which I visited earlier. So guys, that's all we have for today, and I'll be signing off right now. So how did you find our video? Please don't forget to mention that in your comments, and please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel, and please like our videos. That gives us the enthusiasm and the encouragement to create better videos and better content for you guys. So see you in the next video. Till then, have a nice time.